How to run Facebook ads for maximum reach. If any day you would like to run Facebook ads for maximum reach, just follow the following steps. First of all, you have to launch Facebook on your mobile device. In order to do so, you have to tap on Facebook on your mobile device. After that, your very Facebook will be launched. And then you have to go to the profile section on the top, and then you have to scroll down until you find the option of the Ad Center. And you have to tap on the option of the Ad Center. After you go to the option of the Ad Center, you can see a interface like this. You have to wait until your very internet connection is stable. And after that, you can see the options of push to post, create a new ad, and get started with automated ads. You can go to the option of create new ad. After you go to the option of create new ad, you can see an interface like this. Now you have to create a new advertisement that you want to post. After that, you can see the option of the certification and all of these. You have to see all of those, you have to learn all of those, and then you have to go to the option of I accept. When you tap on the option of I accept, now you can see the various kind of screens there. You can see the goal, that what results would you like to get from this ad. It can be automatic, it can be get more messages, it can be grow customer base, it can be get more website visitors, more calls, get more visits, and get more page likes. For example, I tapped on the option of the automatic here. Then after that, you can see the option of the button where you can see the option of the send messages and all of those things. Now when you see all of those things, you can also go to the option down here, and you can also go to the option of ads about credit, employment, and all of those, and enable these types of things if you want it. You can scroll down and you can see the welcome messaging as well, where you can write the very welcome messaging for your very ad. You can go to the option of the audience and check what your audience is. You can also edit the very audience from the audience section, and you can also check the placement, where the placement will be the Instagram Messenger or the Facebook. And you can also increase or decrease your duration by tapping on the very increase or decrease option. However, it will take the money out there. And you can also go to the option down here, and you have to go to the option of the payment method, because you have to add a payment method, because without any payment method, your very ad will not be run there. Therefore, after you add the very payment option out there and tap on the option of promote now, your very ad will be launched and your ad will be promoted. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really liked our video, do not forget to subscribe our channel.